you can earn passive income. This is a node DApp. It's called VaporFi node. So this is VaporNodes.finance. It's VaporFi. It's a community-driven DeFi protocol, a truly decentralized protocol earning investors passive income. So you basically have to buy the token. The minimum amount you have to buy is 1,000, but they're only currently like 5 cents. So it might be like between $50 to $70 for a node. So you launch the app. And then this is the dashboard. See, the price of the token is currently 5 cents, and you need 1,000 of these to create a node. They currently have 20,000 nodes running, and you get 1% return on investment per day. But they do have bonuses, and they do have referral and a calculator here. Just wanted to talk about, let's see, like the calculator. Okay, so say you had 1,000. See, if you compound for 30 days, you'll have $347. So that's the lowest amount. So say if you had 2,000, then after 30 days you'll have this much. So depending on how much you buy is how much you'll make. What's cool is if you look in the documentation, which is over here, I clicked on it already, the rewards, they have, so it's basically 1% a day, but they have some bonuses. So that diamond hand bonus, diamond hand means like when you're not always selling off and stuff like that, you're holding longer. So rewards in the first 3 days, no boost. So if you hold, for the first 3 days, you don't get a boost. Rewards not claimed for 3 days, then you get a 1.5 boost. So if you don't claim every day, if you wait like after 3 days, they're going to give you a 1.5% boost. If you don't claim for 7 days, then they give you 1.2% boost. And if you don't do it for 15 days, 1.4% boost. And then here it breaks down any tax. So like if you have 10, with the tax you only get 90. So that looks like 10%, yeah. So, and then the tax goes back to the platform to help pay the rewards and stuff like that. So you can look at these taxes and see how they are with boosts. See, you get a little bit more with the boost, so you don't get as much taken out. So this is the compound bonus. So if your node size, so if you have a small node from 1,000 to like 4,999 and you compound, they give you a 25% bonus for the next time. And then depending on what size, 5,000 to 9,099, 15% bonus, 10,000 to 19,000, 10%. And then after you have 20,000, you stop getting the compound bonus. But you could still get the other one, I believe, the diamond hands. And then distribution system, it just tells you 30% is liquidity, 5% goes to team and marketing, and then 65 to treasury. And this is on the AVAX network, Avalanche. So if you need to add it to your MetaMask, you can go to chainlist.org, type AVAX, and connect to the mainnet, not the testnet, the mainnet. Connect your wallet. If you have MetaMask or you trust wallet, you can do it through there. And yeah, so basically you just connect your wallet, and I think it's on the front page. Yeah, I think it's here. Just go like this, buy on Trader Joe. You add the token to your wallet, and then you can buy on Trader Joe. Like you normally would. This would just bring up the token, and you have to have Avalanche, the native token here. You connect your wallet. Say you have one AVAX, you'll get the 1,000. You only need, so maybe you only need 0.8 AVAX to get the 1,000, or 0.7 maybe. Yeah, 0.7 currently, and you'll get the 1,000 to create the node. So that's about, I don't know what AVAX is, maybe $80. So maybe you need like $60, $70 to create one. So it's not too expensive. And they do help out if you have a lower. I think the people that have the bigger nodes, they actually are going to be getting airdrops. So it's not like they're just rewarding the lower people. For the bigger ones, you actually get some airdrops for their new things that they're going to be doing. So yeah, I just wanted to bring you VaporNodes. It's kind of cool, and I just thought it was interesting. And if you're interested, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.